Today we are in Ashburn, Virginia, where we are helping a client completely renovate her kitchen on a budget. I know she's super anxious about this and we're super excited as we're on a deadline, so let's go in and see what she's got in store for us. Hey, how are you? Good morning. Good morning, it's good to see you. Excited?
So excited.
All right, let's go see.
All right.
Okay, so talk to me. What are we doing here? We just started this morning and it looks like we've got all of this done already. So how are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Okay.
Feeling excited. As you know, I've been wanting to do this for quite some time.
We have a lot of things kind of moving all at once. So you've got different contractors coming in because we're redoing the cabinets. You're doing quartz instead of granite, new backsplash, new appliances, everything. This whole kitchen's gonna look completely brand new. We're on a timeline here. We're like 2 weeks away from like your big reveal when you haven't told anybody.
Told nobody, which of course has been the biggest challenge.
Because that's a challenge for you in general. Okay.
My mom is gonna like be floored. Number one, that I kept it a secret. Number two, that I'm doing it because she knows I've wanted to do it for quite some time.
Hey guys, how are you? Wow, you're getting a lot done already. All right.
The demo of the backsplash is very loud. I'm sure the dogs are having a blast downstairs.
So you're gonna be like eating out for the next few days at least.
Jackson will love it. Have a burger every day, probably.
Okay. Well then we're off to a great start. I'm very excited for you. 2 weeks. These guys know the timeline. We know the budget. We've got a few more people to kind of get in, and we're gonna roll and make this happen.
Yeah.
All right, girl. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? Huh? What about this one? Is this the one you like? Do you think Mommy will like it too? Oh yeah, you do, don't you? You do, don't you?
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow, I feel like
Yeah.
I'm in a new house.
When did you get that done?
That's why I haven't been able to come over?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, it looks fantastic.
It's a little bit of stress not being able to talk about it.
When did all this happen?
No,
I had nothing to do with it.
It's so bright and
And then, oh, the pendant lighting.
I saw those when I came in, they're beautiful.
So Mom was obviously so excited. Beth kept quiet that whole time, which I know was really hard for her. And we stuck in budget outside of Fred going for that microwave that was like $123 over. So for budget, we had $10,000 we worked with. We got to replace pendant lightings. Actually, there was no pendant lighting, so we did the pendant lighting. We got new countertops that were quartz. We extended the island, new wall oven, all appliances, painted the cabinets. The whole kitchen was completely redone in that budget, and we did a great job. So we're ready for our next project, and we hope to see you there.